Hey everybody, this is Ashley from Crosstown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder S in black metallic. This vehicle does seat up to 7 passengers very comfortably. It's great for you and the whole family. Under the hood we have a 3.5 liter V6 with your beautiful big headlights and your chrome front grille. Taking a look down here, we've got your 18-inch mud and snow tires. Your side view mirror does come with defrost. There's plenty of more options we can look at. Let's hop on inside. Helping us into this Nissan is this wonderful key fob. I'm going to go ahead and open the door here. Over here we've got your power windows, locks, and mirrors, along with your cup holder with some extra storage. We've got your traction control and your tow mode button, as well as beautiful cloth seating throughout the vehicle. Hopping on into this vehicle here, it is a push to start, so I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Starts up very nicely. This vehicle does only have 21,775 kilometers. Over here on the left side, we've got your button here to control your display as well as your volume buttons. And on the right, we have your cruise control buttons over here. We've got your sunglass holder up here, very convenient, as well as these buttons are for your reading lamps. This one here is for all of the reading lamps throughout the vehicle, as well as the rear reading lamp. Down here in your audio center, we've got your AM and FM radio, as well as a CD player, an aux button for your phone, so you can plug your phone into here, listen to music off your phone. And we've also got dual climate control here, as you can see, as well as your AC buttons. This is the button here to turn it on and off, however you'd like it. Down here we've got a little bit of storage and a little output here. 2 great cup holders, as well as 2-wheel drive and 4x4. Very good to have in the wintertime as well as summer. A little bit of internal storage here, as well as underneath. And there's plenty of more stuff we can look at in the back. Let's hop on back. Hopping into the back, you can see that the door panels are all the same, as well as you got map pocket in the back of the driver and the passenger seat, along with your dual rear climate control as well. Down here there's lots of foot and headroom, as you can see. These wonderful cloth seating throughout. We've got 2 more cup holders and an armrest here, as well as this button here pushes the seat forward so your passengers can get in, as well as the seat is manual, so you push it forward, they can get in perfectly fine. Comes down. The rear ones come down as well, which I'll show you after for some extra storage. You got your child anchors and your back anchors here to connect your car seat in case you have children. 2 cup holders on each side, as well as directional air vents. Let's hop into the trunk here. Opening it up, opens up nice and smooth. We've got plenty of storage in here for groceries and whatnot, whatever you need it for, as well as a 12V outlet. Hooks on each corner. We've got some storage underneath as well for groceries. These seats do go down as well, just like that. Coming around the side here. The side looks just like the other side, as you can see. Very big and opened. Heading into the front. Got another cup holder over here. Great foot room. A little side pocket here for chapstick, papers, whatever you need, as well as plenty of room in here for important papers. You've got your manual as well. That's it. I'd like to thank you guys for taking a look at this 2015 Nissan Pathfinder S. If you guys would like to come down and take it for a test drive, we're on the corner of 156 and Yellowhead Trail. It's Ashley. I'm out.